Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. There are certain types of honeybees that create mesmerizing waves when they feel threatened. When a wasp or some other large insect gets too close to the hive, the honeybees work together to disorient the enemy. This wave effect makes it difficult for an insect to single out and attack an individual honeybee. This mailman is delivering a package, but the owner isn't home. He's afraid the package will get stolen, so the mailman asks the owner if he can put it in the recycling bin instead.
It's fine?
Yeah, we don't have anywhere else to leave it.
Would you like me to put it inside the recycling bin?
Oh, yeah, that would work.
Okay. My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too.
Тихо, он гладик там приподнял.
Авраам.
Как ты его тут?
Авраам, что ты делаешь?
These people in Indonesia were on a tour boat when the volcano suddenly erupted. The eruption sent rocks landing into the water close to the boat.
Down in the water, Robert's Lighthouse.
This is what a Christmas Island red crab looks like when it's only a few days old. This diver was swimming around when he accidentally created his own force field made of fish. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.